know I do, to make it through the times we had. I see it now, I see it now. Now I'm with you to show to you that I'm more good than I am bad. I work it out, I work it out. And I'll be somewhere that you need me, and I'll be holding my breath, waiting for you to show.
Painting all this. I don't want the chrome, since the rest of my car, I did a chrome delete, so I am going to paint this with plastic dip. Back after painting them, ran out of plastic dip. It wasn't a full bottle anyways. So yeah, let's go install them on the car. Let's remove this.
The times we had, I see it now, I see it now. Real love, now I break through to show to you that I'm more good than I am bad. I work it out, I work it out. And I'll be somewhere that you need me, and I'll be holding my breath, waiting for you to show.
That is it for this, this quick video. I didn't have that much charge on my phone, but I also wanted to record this because I always tend to do that for anything that I do to my car. So there you go. There's how you install window visors on your car, or Lexus IS if you have one. It's pretty easy. Just don't remove the whole tape at once. Always remove the tip so you can just pretty much align it right, and then you just easily peel it all the way through. It has helped me a lot, every time that I've done something that involves 3M double-sided tape. So there you go. So yeah, if you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like I said, we have other stuff coming up for the car, and yeah, as you saw from the beginning of the video, there are a couple of things that we need to install, but as soon as I get time, I will try to upload probably every other week. So yeah, see you guys later. Take care. Peace.